We offer design, installation, preventative maintenance and repairs in the HVAC mechanical market. That includes plumbing, process piping, and underground work. For many opportunities, we build the entire building in a model prior to building it. That allows us to maximize the use of our shops in prefabrication opportunities. I like to focus on setting direction and aligning resources for the team. For the most part, it starts with building relationships and mutual trust and respect. I focus on getting our field leaders what they need when they need it. In our market, I think we're truly blessed with a great resource of craft labor. And really, if we just focus on getting the materials to the job site and getting the plan and information to them, we know we're going to succeed.
People like working for us just because, we give them what they need. They've got the tools, the new tools, and you open a gang box and you're not walking 3 floors to try to find the one tool you need. Everything's there when you need it.
To work at Grunau Company and API, you've got big company benefits and a small company atmosphere and the ability to really make a difference. Whether it's solving a problem, anticipating something that's not going to work the way they want it to, we need to be a resource to them.
I think it again goes back to really diving into the drawings. This is how we think it should be built based off of the experiences we have. We're part of the solution. It's not just here's what we need you to build, it's here's what we want to build. Is it right? And get to put our input into it and really come up with a better product in the end, because you look at the people that we have here and there's a lot of experience with design work in general as well as construction.